Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, people, it is still the weekend. Hope you're enjoying family and friends and relaxing. Me, I gotta get the shovel out. All right, you all, we got an awesome watch face to check out that's free for the taking in the Game Manager store, worthy of a download. So make sure you download right after the video. The name of the watch face is called Multi-Line Flip 12 Hour. Now, looking at this watch face, yes, it's a digital watch face. Has that analog theme that I love so much blended in with this analog watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you are gonna get a nice digital time, nothing special, but once the watch face is on, you get 12-hour digital time. The guy that loves 24-hour time, listen, I got you. Don't worry about it. We got one coming up for you. Now, this one, I love the font of this one. It makes the watch face stand out. You get a floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. And right here, people, that's one of your arms for your analog watch face, right? Very nice. Up at the top, you are going to get your battery percentage. And right here, you're going to get your day and your date. Not a bad look for a simple everyday watch face, and it gives you your step info down at the bottom. You can't beat it, people. You cannot beat it. Listen, I got one more digital watch face for you. It's a bonus watch face, so stay tuned. It's coming right. Watch face number 2. This one goes out to my man Jonathan Smith. This guy loves 24-hour watch face. We told him we were gonna bring one for him. Now, this one you can't customize the color or anything like that, but I'm thinking this is still a nice one. This one is called Carbon Blue. This one is nice. I like the way it looks in the AOD mode because it's simply going to give you a simple digital time, not bad at all. Once the watch face is on, up at the top, you are going to get your battery info, which is cool. You come down, you get the day of the week. Your 24-hour time is dead center, very legible, and you're going to get your date down at the bottom. How basic, how simple can you get a nice, colorful digital watch face? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Jonathan, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you keep coming back. And for those of you all who are out enjoying yourself for the weekend and you're not snowed in, listen, enjoy. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button because that does help Huck's World. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.